about to plow this driveway. This is for a good customer of mine, Kelsey. Shout out to you. Really makes it hard when you've got difficulty with backing out and pulling forward on a really busy road. This is what it looks like, everybody. Take a good look. If you time it right, they get a light down there, guys. Now look, this is a two sweeper. That's what I'm gonna do. This one gonna be a two sweeper. And done.
Nice.
Because over here, for some reason, it's like 10 feet of grass. Like, you gotta go like that to get in the garage. And I've already noticed that. So I don't want to tear up her grass. But I notice if I go too far that way, I put the snow in their driveway and then I gotta plow them for free because I just messed them up. But look how clean that is.
Nice. Fresh to the baby. It's gonna be melted up in like the next hour.
You're set up, Kelsey. Right there's some professional plowing in a few minutes or less. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Professional plowing at its best with hardly any damage. Thanks again, the pro you need to know. Love you all. God bless.